This is my drawing of Kitty Cat from the Bad Guys, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with a curve in between the eyes. So we're going to start on the left, let's bend this up, and then back down. Now on the inside, it's going to curve the brow coming in and then up. Let's go to the edge, draw the eyes, going up and then out towards a point. Let's round out the bottom of the eye. Starting on the left, curve this down, and just pull that back up towards the inside. And we'll pull the pupils towards the inside. On the left, we're going to draw a half circle coming around and up. Do the same thing on the right. Now in the center, draw a small circle, and then we'll fill the outside in black. Let's give our character some thick lashes. Starting back on the inside, just going to taper this so it gets wider as you go all the way towards the outside. Let's add a point, coming down and in, and add one more. We're going to curl this one coming down and out, then this in towards the bottom of the eyes. Now let's fill those lashes in black. Now in the center, let's move down. Start with a point for the center of the nose. Bend this up and then down toward the left and right side. Now on the outside, we're going to curve this back in and then down towards the middle. Let's draw a straight line coming down towards the mouth. Now I want to draw the edge of the mouth from the center, curve this down and up toward the left and right side. Let's go back to the inside of the eyes. We're going to draw the edge of the muzzle going around the nose and mouth, and then pull that in towards the chin. And we're going to round out the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Now from the corner of the lashes, we're going to step out and draw the edge of the hat brim. So we're going to start all the way over on the left, curve this up, across, and then down. And then from the ends, bend the hat brim coming up and then in towards the top. Let's close off the hat brim with another curve. Let's draw the top of the hat from this point, bend this up and then in towards the top. And we'll close this off with another curve. Now from the hat brim, we're going to step down and draw the side of the head. So let's start on the left. We're going to leave a gap going out. We're going to bend the cheek coming in underneath the chin. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's go underneath the hat brim, draw the ears, coming down and out. Round out the ear, and then pull that in toward the side of the head. Let's add a fold on the side of the head going out. Now I want to go back and draw on the eyebrows. We're going to start from the inside of the eye, bend this up, and then out underneath the hat brim. And we're going to add some thickness, stepping in, go wider as you come back up underneath. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the inside of the jacket, leaving a large gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. And we want to round out the bottom of the jacket, going out and then up. Now we're going to pull the arms in towards the pocket, so we're going to bulge out the sides. So we're going to go out and then bend that back in. Let's add a seam. We're going to step out, draw another straight line coming down. Along the top, we're going to step down, add a curve for the collar. From the bottom corners, we're going to step up, add another curve for the belt, step up, draw that again. Now we're going to draw two lines from the side of the buckle. Let's go back up underneath the head. We're going to tuck the arms in behind that pocket. So we're going to start on the left, then it's out, round up the elbow, and just pull that in towards the side of the pocket. From the top of the pocket, step down, bend the arm going up and then out. Now on top of the forearm, draw a short curve going up along the side of the body. Now I'm going to add that wrap going around the left arm, just following the same curve. Now let's go back to the buckle. We're going to step down, add a curve going in between the legs, leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we're going to curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and then up. From the outside, we're going to curve the foot, going up, round this out and bend that down, aiming towards the heel. I want to leave a small gap on the inside. Now, from the bottom corners of the jacket, let's step in, draw the outside of the leg, then it's out and then down on top of the feet. Just up above the foot, I'm going to add a curve to the edge of the boot. And then we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And now we want to add that tail coming out from the left hip. So we'll start down here, come down and then up. Let's round up the tail and then bring that back in towards the leg. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Kitty Cat from the bad guys. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.